Alright, cool. So we continue our class into the last chapter of this semester. Chapter 10. Digital Marketing Plan. As you all remember, on the first chapter, we talked about SOSTEC. SOSTEC is the situation analysis, objectives, strategy, tactics, actions, and control. So in this SOSTEC, in the situation analysis, we need to analyze the situation, whether the customer share of wallet. So before the framework is to start with the situation. Identify the customer share of wallet. Remember the share of wallet. This is loyal customer, other competitor, and both loyal and to the other competitor. Yeah? How many customer now loyal to you? How many customer competitor only, others only, and how many customer both? Yeah? Loyal both to you and the others. And what is the transaction? The ticket size. So we need to identify the current situation of your company, of your product, of your service. This is situation analysis. And then the competitor. What is your market share? Yeah? On sales. Yours only market share and competitors only. What is the ticket size of the competitors only and you and both? What is the ticket size of the competitor of you and both? Yeah. What is your partner's competencies? What is the performance result? What is the last year performance? How much is the sales? What is the ticket size? How many followers do you have? How many engagement do you get? And the market trend. What is the current situation on the market trend? Yeah. So this is telling you about the current situation analysis. I think you all get the picture. Yeah. And then next is the objectives. What is your objective in 2022? What is your objective in 2022? So we have the current situation on the achievement, current performance, and we have the objective of 2022, the current performance of 2021. Yeah. Cost per visitor, how much in the current and the objective? Going down or going up? And then page views, how much? How many? In 2022, what about that? Is there any increment or decline? Visit. How many visit in the current situation? What about the 2022? How many visits do you plan in mind? Market share. What about 2022? What is the market share you plan? So you need to set up your objective for 2022. And then there is two coordinates. Okay, this is the, currently we are here, next we are here, so we need to go there. We need to go there. So we need to set up the objectives 2022. Yeah. After we set up the objectives, how to achieve that objectives? What is the strategy needed to achieve those objectives? What are your strategy? Digital marketing strategy should define the level of resources at different channels. What is your strategy? Yeah, so you can have the strategy will be the target markets. Meaning, if you want what is to get the target market, you need to do clustering, segmentation, and set the target market. There is strategy to conduct the segmentation and identify the target market. Yeah. And then positioning, that is strategy. What is your online value proposition toward the target market? That is strategy. Partnership, what kind of partnership you want to have? Okay, you want to partner with Traveloka, you want to partner with Zara. There is a strategy. What kind of product do you want to develop? What kind of 7Ps? Product, price, promotion, place. That is strategy. Yeah, you want to develop a new product, there is a strategy. Do you want to develop new partnership? There is strategy. You want to develop new people? Strategy. And then after you set up your strategy, there goes your tactics. Your tactics. Okay. So you want to increase your sales. Your strategy is to develop the target segment. Okay, good. And what is your tactics? You want to increase the awareness of your product. Awareness. Yeah. The objective is increase the awareness. Okay. Oh, no. That is the objective, yeah. And the tactics will be display ads, sponsorship, social media content. Yeah. And then the objective is, for the SOSTEC, the second is objectives consideration. What is the tactics? Search engine optimizer, email blasting, websites. So, and then in this tactics, what is the level of reach? What is the level of speed? How long is the lead time? What is the message? How many people get targeting? How can you do the personalization? What is the cost? Are you going to use cost per click or cost per mile? What is your control issues? What is the message? So these are tactics. When do you want to do it? What time? So you set up the tactics. Set up the tactics. And then you can also develop marketing tactics using Gantt chart. Okay, you want to develop your website. What month? January and February. How much? To 25,000 franc. Pound sterling. You want to develop social media. You conduct the activity in social media from March to December. 30,000. You want to develop advertising. 50,000. Pay-per-click, sponsorship, 10,000. So also using Gantt chart. How much money do you get? How much money does it cost? How much money do you plan to get? Is it accordingly with the sales target? Is it accordingly with the awareness target? Yeah. So this is all in the tactics. So we need to ensure that objective achieved by monitoring the tactics result. Okay, I plan 25, I get 50. So this month, totally I got awareness 100,000 accordingly with the objectives. Okay. Exhibition. Yeah, how much money do you budget for exhibition? Packaging, point of sales. After the tactics, SOSTEC, situation, objectives, strategy, tactics, action. You need to produce an action plan for each tactic. Okay. So you need to ensure all your staff highly motivated to execute the tactics. All the staff had got the training to use the software. Okay. So in actions, you need to ensure all the tactics executed accordingly. So you need to conduct action, start, put the start button, engine, go, 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 go. Yeah. If you had do it in the CRM scheduler, then the scheduler will conduct the activity. Yeah. You can ensure the action running smoothly because it is under CRM button. And SOSTEC. C, control. You need to be able to see what is the bottom line. Is it accordingly with the objective or not? So you need to see the control. The KPI is accordingly achieved. Yeah. So we need to monitor the performance accordingly with the target set up in the objectives. So we need to see the sales. Yeah. Okay, what is the target? Revenue, what is the target? What is the current situation? So how often do you monitor? Daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly? If monthly is not enough, do it weekly. If weekly not enough, do it daily. Who will do it? Agency or staff? Yeah. What does it cost to measure this? Yeah. You can develop business intelligence, yeah, dashboard for controlling this. So in the control also we see the volume, the cost. What is the actual cost? What is the planned cost? What is the actual sales? What is the planned sales? What is the deviation between them both? Does the deviation high or low? Yeah. So you need to control that. Otherwise, you will be over budget. So in this process, there are 3 M's resources required. Man, money, and minutes. Man, the human resource. This is the resources that needed to conduct this all. First is men and women. The human resource allocation. Money, the investment budget, money. Minutes, the time required to conduct all of this. All right, that is the final slides. Any questions on digital marketing plan? So we have 3 chapters. I think you have a lot of questions in mind. Shoot.
The plan should only involve the marketing director or should also involve the others, Pak? Is it a company-wide plan or is it more on a functional plan?
So both. The director will decide the budget then. What is the budget? So there is decision in the high-level management. The high-level management will decide the ratio of budget. Okay, I want to have the sales of 1 trillion. Okay. What is the budget, sir? 0.5%, 1%. So the high-level management decide the budget ratio. Okay, I give you 1%. Do it. Okay. So you have 1% in hand to achieve the 1 billion. No worries. So that is your budget. So you need to allocate them accordingly in the tactics. Yeah. Okay, developing the segmentation. Okay, this budget. And then developing for every Gantt chart. Yeah, every Gantt chart. So you allocate them for each Gantt chart. And then what is the expected sales from that? When you do campaign, what is the expected awareness from that to achieve the objectives of the company? And then the middle level, they do the controlling. Middle level do the controlling. And then the lower level, the digital marketer the digital marketer, they are the one that is executing the campaign, executing the process, executing the actions. High level decide the budget, mid level conduct the monitor, yeah, and then the lower one conduct the action. The strategy in between, the strategy, all of them involved. Yeah. Situation will be in the middle management. Objective will be on the high level management. Strategy will be high and middle. And then tactics will be in the middle. Action will be in the low management. Control will be in the middle. Arasa?
Yes, Pak. Yes, Pak.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any other questions? No questions. So far so good. Araso?
Araseo, Pak.
Okay, cool.